Done. Yeah. That's why my daughter now is sleeping. She is tired. Examination today. It is like moving up the grade. No, not a moving up. Only recognition for the top, like top one, like that. Moving up, it's the um for going graduate like that. But the grade of my daughter is grade 8, and that's why